get access to your ChatGPT, you first have to navigate to your address bar and type chatgpt.com and hit enter, and this will redirect you to an interface like this. If this is your first time, proceed to click on sign up for free. Otherwise, I'm going to log in with my existing Gmail account. Then on this interface, I'm going to continue to click with Google and allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. And this will successfully sign me in on my ChatGPT interface. And for those of you who are using phone, to get access to ChatGPT, you have to locate your App Store or Play Store. Then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. In the search engine, type ChatGPT. Then make sure to pick the one with this best match. Then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. On this interface, continue to pick this one and ensure that you tap on get or install, depending on your operating system, whether you are an Android user or iPhone user. After it finishes installing, then proceed to tap on open. And this is how you can launch ChatGPT on your phone app. Now back to our PC. On our desktop, on this interface, we have this box, and this is what we call the prompt box, and it's common to most of these AI tools. So this is where you will enter any basic prompts, any of the prompts that you want to be using. And on the left panel, we have tons of options. You can click here to start a new chat or set chat or library or Sora. And going forward, I will explain what the Sora means and the GPTs. And when you navigate down, you could see where you can continue to click on your profile. Then you have the option to log out or tap on help, where you can reach out to the help center, release notes, terms and policies, download apps, and even keyboard shortcut. And you can also go in here to do some basic settings or customize your ChatGPT or upgrade to a paid version. So whichever option best suits you, this is where you are free to do. In our prompt box, we are going to test out some of these key features on ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to tell me brief history of ChatGPT and hit on enter. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided us with a brief history of ChatGPT, that from 2018 to 2019, OpenAI released the first GPT, which is the generative pre-trained transformer, and from 2020, then there was the release of GPT-3, and then November 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT, and March 2023, OpenAI included GPT-4, and it goes on as like that. So in this, if you are a content creator and you want to create a content out of this, you can then proceed into the prompt box and just type turn this into a blog post. Then proceed to tap on enter. Then you have to wait a bit for ChatGPT to give you a brief history of everything, and this is going to be a blog post that you can put it on your content. And as you can see, when you scroll down, it gives us the brief history of ChatGPT, the early foundation, the leap with ChatGPT, the ChatGPT's breakthrough 2022, the smarter with ChatGPT 4, and it goes on and beyond. And ChatGPT even went ahead and asked you, do you want me to make this casual or an engaging, like a storytelling blog, or keep it professional and factual, like a tech history blog? So depending on whichever option that best suits you, you can proceed to ask the ChatGPT to make it for you. So for those who want to start content, you can utilize this feature on ChatGPT. And after we are done with this, we're going to test out this amazing feature. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a game for me. So I indicated make a Tetris game for Skill 247 Avenue. Instead of using Tetris blocks, use cookies image for the pieces. Include keyboard control for left, right, rotate, and drop. Also use my branding. So I'm going to include the Skill 247 Avenue logo. And to add a picture or logo, I'm going to proceed to click on this plus icon, then proceed to tap on add photo. After I added the Skill 247 Avenue logo, I'm going to proceed to click on enter, then just wait for ChatGPT to do its thing. And as you can see, ChatGPT has said, I will build you a Tetris style game branded for Skill 247 Avenue. But instead of using the classic Tetris blocks, the falling piece will be cookie image. The game will have cookie shaped and tons of others. In order for me to test and see how it will play, and when I hover to the right side, I have this option to copy, edit, or even download. And I can also proceed to click on preview, then allow it a bit of moment to finish doing its things. And this is massive. You can see ChatGPT has been able to create a Tetris game for me using cookies, and you can see Skill 247 Avenue. And for the controls that I've asked it has given me the control. I can use the left and right arrow. I can also use the up to rotate it, and I have the option to use the down to bring it down forward. And I can also use the space bar and pause and R to reset everything. So this is how massive ChatGPT can be. And to pause the game, you can navigate to the top right corner and tap on pause. You can even proceed to tap on this close icon. The preview button will be closed, and you can then go ahead and copy the code and run it. This is massive. As if that's not all, when you hover your mouse on the chat box beside it, you could see this use voice mode. So when I tap on it, I'll be able to speak directly to ChatGPT and have a direct conversations. And to start a new voice, I'm going to proceed to tap on start new chat. Hey, how are you? Are you there?
I'm here. Let me know if you need any tweaks or if there's anything else I can...
Okay, we need to launch Skill 247 Avenue in Ghana, and I want some basic recommendation from you.
That sounds exciting. Here are a few recommendations to get started. One, make sure your branding and messaging resonate with the local culture and preferences. You can incorporate local themes or even collaborate with local influencers. Two, social media presence. Utilize popular social media platforms in Ghana like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to create buzz. Engage with the community through posts, giveaways, and interactive content. Three, community engagement. Consider hosting a launch event or partnering with local events to introduce Skill 247 Avenue. This can help build a strong local presence. Four, feedback loop. Launch with a beta phase to gather feedback from local users and make improvements. This will help tailor the experience to the market. Local partnerships. Partner with local businesses for cross promotions, which can help you tap into established customer bases. If you have any specific areas you want to focus on?
Okay, we want to delve deep with the youth to help engage them, and I think your recommendation is okay.
The youth is a fantastic strategy, and I'm sure it'll make. If you have any questions as you move forward, just let me know.
Isn't this amazing how interactive ChatGPT can be with you in real time, giving you a localized idea that you can improve? And this is from a voice chat and nothing more. Another feature we can look at is as you are inputting your text prompts, your text history will be captured here. To delete any of them, you can hover your mouse on this third dot and tap on it. Then you have the option to delete, or you can even archive it or rename it or even share it to external sources. If for instance you want to delete it, you can just proceed to tap on this delete. Then a pop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on delete, and this will automatically delete that chat history. Another tool we can explore is our ability to connect with other apps. So when you hover your mouse on your profile at the bottom left corner and tap on it, and then proceed to tap on settings, a pop-up menu will appear. Up and above, you have a tons of other options. Among them is connected apps. So you can proceed to tap on this connected apps. Then you have the option to connect your ChatGPT directly with your Google Drive, your Microsoft OneDrive, and your Microsoft OneDrive for work or school. This is absolutely amazing, and with this feature you can easily upload Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and others directly to ChatGPT without having to go any of those platforms to download it and also upload it on ChatGPT. A seamless transfer from one interface to the other. And when you also proceed to the data controls and tap on it, you have the option to delete all chat at a go just by locating the delete all chat and tap on delete all. Or you can also archive all chat at a go or manage it depending on whichever option that best suits you. Another feature worth noting is the steady mode. With ChatGPT, when you proceed to tap on this plus icon, then select Study and Learn and enter this prompt, you can be able to learn everything from basics like coding up to baking. In this prompt, we are going to give it, help me learn how to code basic website. Then I'm going to proceed to tap on enter, then allow it a bit of moment to finish doing its things. Then I'm going to proceed to give it first time and then tap on enter. Then ChatGPT will give you a study plan for each and everything that you need to do while your journey into learning how to do a basic website. And this is massive. So it has given you the building block for any website, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And it even went ahead to say, since it's your first time, let's just start with HTML. Here's a tiny example of a complete web page. And it has given us this HTML basic doc type border page. And you'll be able to copy this, or you can even learn it step by step into your journey to learning how to build a website. You can even proceed to ask the ChatGPT, give me a 30 days study plan. Then allow it a bit of moment to finish doing its things. Then ChatGPT is giving you your week 1, day 1 up to your 30 days. And this is very great for anyone who wants to learn anything. Another feature is we are going to ask ChatGPT to analyze a picture for us. So we're going to upload a picture. In this case, I'm going to upload the Skill 247 logo, and I will ask ChatGPT to analyze this picture. Then proceed to tap on enter. This feature is very creative, and for ChatGPT to be able to read the text and everything on your image. As you can rightly see, the visual element has been captured as a shield shape. The ribbon banner, the color scheme is also captured gold, black, and dark blue. And the combination gives a premium, official, and trustworthy look. The typography is also bold, and I'm sure ChatGPT can even read the actual text on it, which is very massive. And you can see the design communicate that Skill 247 Avenue is about professionalism and trustworthiness, prestige and value, constant learning and growth, which is massive. And this gives ChatGPT an intuitive learning ability to visualize and analyze even an image that you uploaded on it. We are going to ask ChatGPT to also generate an image for us. So I'm going to give it this prompt, generate an image of a dog running in a rain. So I'm going to proceed to tap on enter, and ChatGPT will generate something very interesting. So just allow it a bit of moment to finish doing its things. As you can see, ChatGPT has created an image of a dog running in a rain for us. Isn't this amazing? We are going to also ask ChatGPT to create a thumbnail with text introduction to ChatGPT and hit on enter. So this is a text to ChatGPT to see how best it can do even with image and text generation. So in this case, we want to see how it can generate an image and capture a text on it. And this is it. ChatGPT has created a thumbnail that we can use for our YouTube, introduction to ChatGPT, with ChatGPT's logo on it. You see how intuitive ChatGPT can also perform. It has captured the text accurately and placed the logo at its right spot using the background color, which also makes it very catchy and contrasting. You can also ask ChatGPT to give you a cost of how much it costs to incorporate a company in Ghana. Then click on enter. Then within a space of some seconds, ChatGPT will run a web search to check all the information which is on the web and give you an accurate information. So you can see currently the Registrar General Department has a key registration fee for a company limited by share, and the standard registration fee is between 330 Ghana cedis to 500 Ghana cedis, and it has given you all the sources that it used to generate this. So to fact check, you can just proceed to tap on any of the source to see where ChatGPT is giving you all this information. And the stamp duty, which is the capital duty, is 0.5% of the stated capital, and it also included some sources reported alternative figure like 230 Ghana cedis for the incorporation plus 50 Ghana cedis filing plus 0.5% capital duty. And when you scroll down, you can see a tons of information that you can use for your guidance. And these are some of the features and hacks that you can utilize from ChatGPT. If you have any question, you can check out the link in this video description in the comment section to join our live questions and answers series. Click the link to join us right now.